accomplished, by the way, the more tasks you conclude, the more energy and self-esteem you have, because every time you finish a task, you get a jolt of positive energy.
We all look for toughness. We all want it, but we look for it in a comfortable environment. You will not find toughness in a comfortable environment. Those of you who are listening to this, whoever hear this, you will not find it. I was trying to look for it everywhere. The only way you find it is to drown yourself in a position where you're just out of sorts, where you can't swim and you're drowning. Where you're drowning. You're drowning in life. But you say, you know what, man? Fuck that. I'm gonna figure out how to fucking backstroke or fucking something.
Are you tired right now? I bet you.
All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off with gold. Gold pull back up, but it's still rejecting the mid-month. The weekly high for gold is 43.60. $43.69.48. The weekly low is 42.19.
Sorry.
Got 40.
Like
42, 43.69, 48, 42.19, 40, 42.94.44. You see, I was looking at gold earlier, looking at the level of where it's at, and it didn't break the midweek. I mean the mid-month, not the midweek, sorry. The mid-month here. It rejected it. And not just that, it was also inside, it also was inside a 4-hour order block. So I had a feeling it was gonna pull back. But if it stays above this area here, because right now it's in between two levels. This right here is a level of support, and this is a resistance level for the month. So right now it's trading in between there. So to confirm that it's going to continue up, you will see the rejection off this level right here of support. To confirm that it's going to continue to buy, it will have to break this heavy level of resistance. Because this is a heavier level of resistance because this is the mid-month. So we'll have to break this area here. So it break this area, then we can know that gold is going to continue up. But this is a stronger level of resistance than this. This right here, if it break this, it's going to break it with force. But you know it's going to buy if it rejects this area right here. So if you was looking to enter a buy in gold, being that it's pulling up, because if you look at the weekly on gold, you see where it rejected out of, right? A weekly order block. A weekly buy order block. Rejected heavy out of that weekly buy order block. So it can very well break that This mid-month, it can very well do that. So if you're looking to take a buy, I would take that buy at the midweek. The fuck? Gosh, my bad, y'all. This. So if you're looking to take a buy, I will wait to take the buy at the mid-month, at the midweek here. Because you want to take it at a level of support. And this is a level of support. And we do have it rejecting this buy happening out of a weekly order block. So it could very well break this area. And then when it do break it, it's gonna break it with force. So I was looking at a buy for gold, but I was looking at it to happen right at the this area here. This is where I'm looking for that buy to happen. But like I told you, it's the 3 steps. You want to go. You want to look to see how it's accumulate. It's already starting to do its accumulation, but you want it to come down. Look for the accumulation and trade this expansion. So you will box off your accumulation here. But you want to do that during during the London session. Box off the accumulation and trade this expansion. It is in a 1 hour order block right here. And it is accumulating. This is the area I would be looking to take a buy. It's gonna break that. It's gonna break that. I'm gonna move over to US 30. So US 30 made a new monthly. US 30 made a new monthly high. US 30 made a new monthly high. $51,943.4. So the high 51. I need to go. Yeah. Internet is like going in and out, bro. This shit is fucking. What's like this? Sorry, like. So got the monthly high at 51 943.4. The low 49.044. The new mid-month for US 30. The mid-month level of support is 54.93.7. So the weekly and the monthly high is the same. The weekly low is 56.94.2.
Mommy, be kind and made it, yeah. It's yeah. It's funny.
You got the high 51.943.4. The weekly and the monthly high. We got the weekly low 56.95.2. The mid-week level of resistance 51.319.3. US 30 has also been trending up. Same process. You want to look for the accumulation. Box up, wait for it to come to a level of support or resistance. Find your accumulation. Box off that accumulation and trade the expansion. Meaning trade the breakout. But you want it to be at a level of support or resistance. Meaning support or resistance. So you want to wait for it to be accumulating at the high. Box it off. And then trade the expansion. Trade the breakout. Don't enter in between. Like this right here would be in between. You don't want to trade in between the support and resistance. You want to trade from the support and resistance. This is the resistance. This is the support. So you want to trade from either selling from here or buying from here. You don't want to trade in between. Because as you can see, when it's in between, it can go either way. You don't want to trade in between the support and resistance. You want to trade from the support and resistance. So don't trade in between. Same thing for gold. Don't trade in between the support and resistance. Trade from the support, the resistance. Going to move over to Nas. Adjust the monthly high for now. 3773.04. $30,773.04. The low 27,035.83. 28,904.44. Offline, bro. This shit went offline like twice during this call. The weekly high 3599.93. The weekly low 29,313.95. Got the weekly high. $30,599.93. The weekly low 313. .95. Brownie, close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Given a midweek level of resistance, 29,956.94. Pounds. This shit is ridiculous. They're paying for the doing it. See, looking at where Nas is right now, you see how it's at this level of resistance and it's rejecting the level of resistance. It's rejecting the area of resistance, and you see all this buildup right here. So your step one would be to find the higher time frame area where it's rejecting that and box it off. So if you are going to take a sell here, you will be taking it from here. Your stop loss will be above the high, and you will be taking it to the level you can take it to the level of resistance from the resistance to the support. from the resistance to the support. You can take it, or you from there to there. You can't hold it for that long. You can take your profit anywhere in between. But you don't want to get into the trade unless it's at a level of support or resistance. And you know when it's rejecting when you see it doing that. When you see it moving sideways at the top, at a level of support or resistance. Right here, this is the level of resistance, and you see it moving sideways, rejecting, showing rejection. You drop down to the 15-minute time frame to see the level, to see it rejecting, to see this sideways movement. That's what you're looking for. That's giving you your indication of what you should be looking for when you're going in the market. So step one, find your level of resistance. Step two, box it off. Box off the rejection. Box off the sideways movement. Come down to your 15-minute time frame and box that off. You come up to the 1 hour time frame then, and you will be taking your entry. Your stop loss will be above where it's resisting from, and your take profit will be the level of support. Because if it's trading in between the level of support and resistance, that's how you set it. Now, if you don't feel comfortable holding a trade for that long, you can take profit anywhere between the level of support and resistance. But don't try to re-enter when you see it continuing. Wait till it come down and to re-enter. Don't try to enter in between. Bitcoin is also pulling back up out of a weekly order block. Yeah. The weekly high is 67,934.45. The weekly low, 65, 302.08.
Right here. Such an adorable little fluff nugget. Now remember, big, tall, high places are for heroes like Green Goblin and his amazing friends.
We got the high, 67,934.45. We got the low, 65, 3.
What's going on here, Bobby?
65,302.08. Given the midweek level of resistance at 66,618.27.
We need to talk. He's really giving up on being a superhero? No way. Trust him. Me.
Also got Bitcoin coming out of a higher time frame order block. So take that into consideration when entering this. While we see it rejecting out of this order block, I was looking to get into, if you're looking to get into buying this based off the trend of the market, you would take it at the level of support. Don't enter in between. Wait for it to start rejecting here. Wait for it to come down. One of the main things in trading is having the patience to wait for the setup to take place. Okay, so have the patience to wait for the setup to take place. These levels are your structure. Okay, so follow your structure and take the trades from the levels of support and resistance. You mark it up from the high because you're zooming out to zoom in. And right here is where you would take your buy from. Right here is where you would take your sell from. So wait for it to come to the level of support to take the buy. You know it's in a buy trend. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of buying. It's coming out of a daily higher time frame order block and a weekly order block here. So we know it's pulling up. We can anticipate it breaking this area. But if you're gonna take your buy, you want to take it here. So have the patience and wait for the buy to come here. Wait for it to come here and wait for it to reject. You're gonna see it accumulate in there at the level. So for Bitcoin, you should be looking for a buy at the level of support. For gold, same thing. I will wait for it to pull down. And I wouldn't touch gold until London session anyway. So you want to wait for it to pull down. They keep making little lows here. It's moving sideways, but taking the buy in between is not good. Just have patience. It's gonna come to let price come to you. Let price tell you what it's gonna do. Same thing for US 30. Let price tell you what it's gonna do. One of the main things in trading is having the patience for the setup to come to you. Okay? You want to take it from the support and resistance. These are your structures. These are your higher time frame structure. These are your higher time frame structure. Respect the structure. Price is going to tell you what it's going to do. Let price tell you what it's going to do. You already see the trend. Follow the trend. Okay? Don't overcomplicate this. You can come to the 15-minute and you can see where it's moving sideways and rejecting. Box off the rejection, come to the 1 hour and wait for it to break out of that rejection. Simple. And that's where you get in. Set your stop above the rejection and set your profit to the next level. Trade in between your support and resistance. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. You look for too many clues, you're gonna overcomplicate and second guess yourself. Come to the 15-minute, wait for the accumulation. Wait for it to be accumulating like this at the top. Come to the 1 hour, wait for it to break. See how you got to even retest there at the top. That's it breaking. You were gonna take a sell, you would take it from here. Now, if you're gonna take the buy, you want to take it from near the area of support. This is where you want to take your buy at, down here. Let price come to you. Don't overcomplicate it. Wait for it to come down there and reject off that area. It's going to tell you what it want to do. And it's going to tell you here on this 15-minute, you're going to see it doing this, moving sideways. Box that off. Look for your entry. Simple. Don't overcomplicate it. I simplified it so that y'all could see where to get in at. Once you got your chart marked up, that's for you to clearly be able to see the chart. Understand that this structure and the stuff that y'all being taught. I went to a workshop over this weekend. They are charging people for what I am teaching y'all. They are charging people upwards to $35,000. Don't. $35,000 for what I just showed you. That same layout, that same structure. So y'all getting a $35,000 education. Take advantage of that shit. Don't overcomplicate it. It's the same setup. It's the same things happening in the market. Look at the structure. And don't overcomplicate it. You don't got to second guess yourself on this. Confidently move into the chart and know what you're getting and know what you're looking at. Okay? Trade with confidence. Say when you go in and you say, I got this. I know what I'm seeing is there. Don't second guess it. All right, y'all. Let's over and out.
Man, y'all better quit tripping, man. We got paper route on the line. And besides, man, hey, all I know is confidence and all I know is win.
Let's go.
Hey, man, hey, shout out, roll call, man. We got HBO in the house. Where you at?
It's winning season, y'all. The Knicks took it. It's where the Knicks can win.
Hey,
Y'all
man,
can
see,
win,
now
bro.
I'm
Stop
gonna have to hang up
tapped
this
in,
call
cuz
because
I'm tapped
I
in.
can't
I'm
be hearing
tapped
this
in.
nonsense.
I'm tapped in. HBO tapped in.
Stop
Hey,
playing.
man, hey, what up, Jazz? Where you at, baby?
Stop playing. Winning season.
Where you
Winning
at? Where you at, Jazz?
My bad, my bad. What's good? What's good? What's good? Paper route.
Okay, man. Quita, what's up?
It's winning season, baby.
What's
Let's
up,
go.
Quita?
You know, I'm getting a little comfortable over here, getting ready for bed.
It's winning
Oh, hey,
season.
I tell you what, man. Hey,
But,
the Infinite Wealth crew, man. We,
but I'm finna sleep with
hey,
it
we
on my
about to
mind, with
clean
this
up,
money
man.
on my
Hey, so
mind.
hey, the gloves about to get on, and we about to get to it.
Let's go. Winning
Hey, man, I
season,
love all
baby.
y'all, man. Hey, we the
Winning
original crew, so
season.
we holding it down. We stick together because we all we got. Let's
That's
go
what I'm
take these
saying.
fools for a ride.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go.